Welcome to this demo video for the DeckCraft Bot application. This time, we'll see how to start a deck from scratch and what options are available to us for doing so.
This time we're going to start with an Amethyst Ruby mid-range deck and see what the bot suggests. I left the bypass your collection option enabled, so we will have access to all the cards in the game.
Since I'm on a premium plan, it already gives me an analysis of the current metagame. Next, he asks me for the starting point, and this is where several options present themselves. Start with essential cards, often powerful legendary cards used in many decks. Start with a pack of synergistic cards, a feature covered in a separate video that I encourage you to watch. Build the deck by analyzing costs to best control its curve, or simply offer a personalized approach.
This time, I'm going to ask to start with essential cards, which will form the core of our deck, and around which we can build the rest. Unsurprisingly, for the Amethyst cards, the bot suggests cards like Genie, Wish Fulfilled, or Elsa, the Fifth Spirit. For the Ruby cards, we'll see cards like Maui. He suggests I start with these cards, and then continue by finding cards around this set of cards that synergize well together. So I let him add these first cards, 4 copies of each, and I wait to see what else he has to offer me. The bot doesn't forget to suggest low-cost cards to balance my curve, and also suggests cards that work well with some characters I already have in my deck. Indeed, Hypnotic Strength works well with Maui, Half Shark, for example.
In the end, he offered to complete the deck for the remaining 8 cards, keeping the focus on the mid-range type that I had asked him for.
I accept his proposals, and I await the generation of the final report, which gives me the stats of the deck and a game guide to use it, as well as a selection of cards to acquire, but which is of no interest here since I bypass my collection.
All that's left is for me to check the stats myself and export the deck. So in this demo, we've seen how the bot helps you design a deck, whether starting with essential cards, pre-made synergistic packs, or building progressively based on cost.
See you soon, Illumineers, and have a happy deck building!